Affiliate marketing is a booming global industry valued at $37 billion right now, with projections reaching $48 billion by 2027. With thousands of companies participating in affiliate programs and 15 to 30% of online orders coming from affiliate marketing, this business model is more profitable than ever. 81% of brands use affiliate programs to boost sales, and some of the biggest names like Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, Jumia, Shopify and ClickBank depend on affiliates to drive revenue. This creates a huge opportunities for individuals looking to earn commissions online. Whether you are hoping to monetize your content, build a side income, or start a full-time business, affiliate marketing offers endless earning potential. That's exactly what this course is here to help you achieve, giving you the knowledge and strategies to leverage affiliate marketing and start generating income step by step, even if you are starting from scratch. Hello everyone, welcome to NetPlus Training Channel. I'm excited to kick off this comprehensive affiliate marketing course where I'll share everything you need to know to get started and succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. In this video lesson series, we'll explore the essentials of affiliate marketing, covering everything from the basics to advanced strategies that will set you up for success. So whether you are a complete beginner or you are someone looking to enhance your existing skills, this course is designed to provide you with valuable insights and practical tips. We are going to explore step by step all the fundamental steps to making money with affiliate marketing. We are going to explore niche selection, affiliate marketing programs and networks, content creation strategies, affiliate website design, search engine optimization, video marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, traffic generation, building an audience, performance tracking and optimization, and so on. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge and skills you need to successfully navigate the world of affiliate marketing and start earning money online almost immediately. Now, before we get started, you can support me by subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now, let's dive straight into what affiliate marketing is all about and let me show you how it works. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where an affiliate marketer promotes a company's product or services by sharing a unique affiliate link with their audience. And when someone clicks on that link and performs a specific action like making a purchase, that affiliate earns a commission. It's that simple. For example, let's say this is your website with a review of a product, and here you have an affiliate link. The affiliate program gives you this link to insert on your website or content to promote the product. So if someone clicks on this link, it redirects them to this merchant's website, in this case Amazon. And if they buy the product within a specified period, you earn a commission for referring the sale. Now, here's another example, a digital product on JVZoo. This product is the main product in an 8-product funnel. If someone clicks on this affiliate link and buys this product and all the upgrades in the funnel, you will get up to $270 in affiliate commission. The commission rate varies depending on the product, the network, or the commission structure. There are 4 types of commission structure: percentage-based commission, flat rate commission, recurring commission, and hybrid commission structure. Percentage-based commission rate means that you get paid a certain percentage of the product cost, which can range from 1% up to 75% depending on the industry and affiliate program or network. Amazon Associate Program, for example, pays between 2% to 12% commission and up to 20% in some cases, depending on the product category. AliExpress pays up to 9%, Warrior Plus and JVZoo pays up to 50% on average, while ClickBank offer pay as much as 75% standard commission, and you can even be whitelisted to earn up to 90% of the product cost. Then for fixed amount or flat rate commission, you get paid a fixed amount for every sale. For example, like $20 or $30 per sale, regardless of the product cost. And then we have recurring commission, which means you get paid every month, specifically for some subscription-based services or product. Affiliate programs pay like 15% to 50% recurring commission for certain subscription products and services as long as the customer remains subscribed. Then an hybrid commission structure combines a one-time upfront payment and ongoing split revenue share. For example, you could be paid like a flat $50 when someone signs up, and then a 30% monthly percentage split for ongoing subscriptions. We are going to talk more about types of affiliate products commission rate and commission structures later on in this course. There are three primary groups of people involved in the affiliate marketing process. We have the merchants or advertisers, or you can call them sellers, retailers, brand or company. These are the ones selling the product or providing the services and paying affiliates a commission for driving sales or leads. Then we have the affiliate, or you can call them marketer, promoter or publishers. These are the ones who promote the merchant's product or services on their channels or websites or social media sites, earning a commission for every sale or lead they generate. Then we also have the consumers, or you can call them audience, user or potential buyer. These are the ones who are looking for products or services or information on the internet and who ultimately buys the product or services through affiliate links. These three groups create a symbiotic relationship, each benefiting from the other's involvement in the affiliate marketing process. The user gets the product that they want, the affiliate earns money by promoting the product, and the company or merchant gains visibility and sales. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Now, let's go through the affiliate marketing process in detail so you understand how the whole thing really works. It starts when you sign up for an affiliate program offered by a company or merchant. If you meet all the requirements, you will be accepted. Once you are accepted, you can browse through the marketplace or the product list and select the product you want to promote. The company or merchant provides you with a unique tracking or affiliate link for their product. An affiliate link is a tracking URL like this one that informs the merchant that you are the affiliate that referred the user through promotion. This link contains special parameters that identify the affiliate and track the source of the traffic. Each affiliate program has their own unique affiliate structure. This is what affiliate link for Amazon looks like. Then AliExpress, JVZoo, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and so on. The link is tailored to the specific needs of the program or network, making sure that all the necessary tracking information is included. The component of a standard affiliate link looks like this, and it contains special identifiers like AFF or REF or UP or affiliate and so on, showing that this is an affiliate link, followed by the affiliate ID to track referrals and attribute sales or actions to the person who shared the link. Each affiliate is given a unique ID, like this one. This is how your commission is tracked. Some programs tracking link contain other parameters like traffic source, website ID, link ID, custom tag, and so on. Affiliates can promote the product in whatever ways they find most effective. You can promote this product through your blog, on your website, on social media, YouTube, TikTok, forums, through email, or any media channel, and insert the tracking link somewhere in your content as text link or in an image or in a button. When someone clicks on your affiliate link, they are sent to the merchant's website. At that moment, small data files called cookies are stored and activated on the user's device. This tracking cookie holds key details like your affiliate ID and the time of the click. The cookie tracking begins immediately and stays active for a set period, allowing the merchant or company to recognize, track, and credit online activity like purchases made to the correct affiliate partner. The length of time the cookie remains active is called the cookie duration, and it varies depending on the affiliate program. For example, Amazon's cookie lasts 24 hours, AliExpress is 3 days, CJ Affiliate is 30 days, Warrior Plus is 60 days, GetResponse lasts for 120 days, and some few programs have a lifetime cookie duration. When the user completes a purchase on the merchant's website within this period, the merchant system reads this data and attributes the sale to the affiliate who referred the sale, identified by the affiliate ID. Once the sale is done and the product is delivered to the user, the merchant then calculates the commission based on the terms of the affiliate program and credits it to the affiliate account. Once you have reached a certain threshold or distribution requirement, like certain time of the month, you will be issued your total commission by check or withdraw manually to your bank account, PayPal or Payoneer, or to any other payment processors supported by the program. Some affiliate programs even use what is known as cross-sale or session-based tracking for their affiliate program. This means you earn commissions not only on the initially promoted product, but also on all products a user buys during the same shopping session after clicking on the affiliate link. For instance, if this user during the same shopping session decides to buy some other products like an Xbox, a DVD player, and a laptop, you get credit for those extra purchases as well. So you get paid for all the product bought during the shopping session. But not all affiliate programs or network offer cross-sale tracking. So it's very important to review the terms and conditions of each program you join to understand their policies on this. So basically, this is how affiliate marketing works and how affiliates earn their money online. The more products you can sell, the more money you make. So as you can see, affiliate marketing is a simple way to make money online. The process revolves around connecting consumers with the right product while earning commission for successful referrals and sale. Understanding the marketing process from joining an affiliate program to convincing someone to buy the product by crafting compelling content, driving targeted traffic, tracking sales and receiving payments lays the foundation for success in this space. In the next lesson, we will explore the benefit of affiliate marketing for affiliate and product creators. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.